Good morning students. Hope everyone is hale and hearty. In the previous class we have discussed the chapter the sentence. In this class we will solve the exercise. Many of you were asking me to solve that. So let us proceed in solving the exercise. Before that I'll ask all of you to bring a copy and a pen and follow the class properly. So let us begin with the first exercise. That is, indicate with tick marks in the table below what type each of the following sentence is. Then add correct end punctuation mark to the sentences. One is done for you. Some could have more than one answer. Okay. So as you can see, the material is already given in the worksheet column. Please do download that and have that opened in front of you. So as you can see, there are 4 columns drawn and you were given certain number of sentences. Now you have to find the sentence which will go for any of the types and you have to write. Now let us begin with the first one and you have to add the punctuation mark as well. How many times have you travelled by sea? As this is already done for you, so we can easily understand. It starts with the WH question, that is how, and it is followed by a question mark. So it is undoubtedly an interrogative sentence. We will start from 2 onwards. I was on a ship in 1989. So this is a fact that is stated here, and as we know, that sentence which tells us something or states a fact to us, that is called declarative sentence. So it will be declarative sentence. You have to add a full stop. As I told you earlier, the declarative sentence are followed by a full stop. Shall I do this for you? Okay, let me do that. That is C2 is declarative. Now, third one. What a great experience it was. By this sentence, we can understand there is an exclamation, right? So, we will add an exclamation mark and it will be obviously an exclamatory sentence. Then the fourth one. Please put away these cartoons. So what is, first let you understand what is written here. Please put away these cartoons. By this please word we can understand there is a request, and we know what type of sentences give us command or advice. Imperative sentence. So it will be imperative sentence. Then fifth, bring your crafts workbook tomorrow. There is an advice, can be a suggestion also. So yes, it will be undoubtedly imperative and it will be followed by a full stop. Number 6. Where is Murshidabad located? As it ends with a question mark and it is followed by a WH word. So number 6 will be interrogative. Number 7. Sending email is easier than writing a letter. Again, here something is told to us. So it will be declarative and followed by a full stop. Number 7, declarative and full stop. Then number 8, who is the first woman to fly an aeroplane? It's obviously interrogative and it will be followed by a question mark. Number 9. How cruel it is to make little children work in factories. As I told you earlier, did you remember? The sentences often start with how and show a strong feeling or an exclamation. They are called exclamatory sentences. So how cruel it is to make children work in factories. It will be exclamatory sentence and it will be followed by a exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Now number 10. A kingfisher lays up to 10 eggs at a time. This is a fact again, so it will be declarative and the sentence will end with a full stop. Number 10, declarative and it will end with a full stop. Understood the first one? Then let us proceed to the next exercise. Listen to the instruction first. Write interrogative sentences which would be answered by the given statements. So as you can see, certain statements are given and you have to compose the interrogative sentence. Okay? So let us start with the first one. D1. I will pack my bag after breakfast. So this is the answer. We have to compose the question. Read out the answer once again. You will have the question here hidden. I will pack my bag after breakfast. When will you pack your bag? Easy. When will you pack your bag? Answer is what? I will pack my bag after breakfast. Okay. Then the next one. It is 1 kilometer wide. So, it is 1 kilometer wide. What will be the question? It will always start with how. Because when you are questioning with how, the answer will be like that. So, how wide we will write like this. How wide is it? And the answer will be, it is 1 kilometer wide. Number 2, how wide is it? And do not forget to put the question mark. Because without this, it will be a wrong answer. Now number 3. Number 3 is what? Prometheus brought fire to the earth from heaven. Who brought fire on the earth from heaven? Easy. See, the name is given. So the question should be started with who, so that we can have the answer starting with the name. Okay, so who? Who brought the fire on earth from heaven? And question mark. Number 4. I cannot close this window because its frame has bent. So the reason is stated. Why? We will ask with why. Yes? So that we can have the answer. The question is what? I cannot close the window. Why you cannot close the window? Because its frame has bent. So the question will be what? Why can't you close the window? And question mark. Number 5. Anshuman Ram is a golfer. Who is a golfer? Very easy. Who is a golfer? And the answer is Anshuman Ram is a golfer. Number 6. This mobile phone is my mother's. Whose mobile phone? My mother's. So we will start with whose. Whose mobile phone is this? Number 6. Whose mobile phone is this? Yes? Now number 7. Let me rub the board. If you have missed out anything, you just quickly pause the video and write the answer now. Number 7. There are 13 birds in the picture. So the number is given. So the question should start with how many? So the answer will be in number. How many birds are there in the picture? How many birds are there in the picture? Yes. Number 8. I went to watch a movie last evening. So where did you go last evening? Or it can be what did you do last evening? Both the questions will be followed by this single answer. Number 8. Where did you go? Did you go last evening? 1. Or what did you do last evening? And the answer will be I went to watch a movie last evening. Number 9. Rafiq's house is in Manohar Nagar. So the place is given. So the question should start with where, right? So the question is what? The answer is what? Rafiq's house is in Manohar Nagar. Where is Rafiq's house? That is in Manohar Nagar. Number 9. Where is Rafiq's house? Question mark. Number 10. This train will reach Dehradun at 4 o'clock in the morning. See, 4 o'clock in the morning. Where? 4 o'clock in the morning. So the question will be, when will the train reach Dehradun? When will the train reach Dehradun? The train will reach Dehradun at 4 o'clock in the morning. Number 10. When will the train reach Dehradun? Okay. Now let us proceed to exercise E. Now read out the instruction well. Write imperative sentences that can be used in each of the following situations. So the situation will be given to you and you have to compose the imperative sentence. Let us do the first one. Request Shoaib to turn off the lights in the bedroom. Request means please. Okay. So the sentence will be Shoaib, please turn off the lights in the bedroom. Understood? The situation is given. What is the situation? Once again, students, please listen. Request Shoaib to turn off the lights in the bedroom. This is the situation. You have to request Shoaib to turn off the lights in the bedroom. What would you say? Shoaib, please turn off the light in the bedroom. Easy? Write down. E. Number 1. Shoaib, comma, please turn off the lights in the bedroom. Full stop. Number 2. A warning on an electric iron that one should not touch it with wet hands. So, the situation is what? It is a warning. It is written on an iron. Okay. So, you have to compose the sentence. What is the situation? Once again read. A warning on an electric iron that one should not touch it with wet hands. So what will be the question? What will be the sentence then? Don't touch with wet hands. Right? So here is an advice. As you can see, it is one of the characteristics of imperative sentence. Don't touch the with wet hands, and it will be followed by an exclamation mark. Third one, a website asking you to enter a password to log in. As the official site of your school generally asks you to put your password so that you can log in. Okay, so what is written there? What is written there? Please enter your password to log in. Since we have seen this, this seems like a request, so we are adding please enter your password to log in. Number 3, please enter your password to log in. Full stop. Number 4. A coach shouting to his student during a running competition. Yes, during our sports day, we have seen how did our sports teacher shout? Run fast, right? So here the answer will be, the sentence will be run fast. Run fast, and it will be followed by an exclamatory sign. Number 5, instruction to stick a photograph on an application form. So we have seen, we have already filled many forms up. So we know we are often asked to paste our photograph there in the blank, right? So what is the instruction given there? That is, paste your photograph here in that box. It is written to paste your photograph here. So this will be the sentence. Paste your photograph here. Number 6. sign at a public place asking people to throw litter in the dustbin. You are asking the public to throw the litter in the dustbin. Yes, this should be a request. So what would be the answer then? Please throw litter in the dustbin. Number 6. Please throw litter in the dustbin. Full stop. Okay. Hopefully you have noted down this already. If not, pause the video and then note these things down. Seven, an emergency helpline number and the accompanying message. So, an emergency helpline number and the accompanying message. So, what will be the sentence then? In case of emergency, call 100 or 101, like that. Yes. Number 7, in case of emergency, call 101 and an exclamation mark. Number 8, a line from a recipe note on adding ginger. We often, why do we follow the recipe? We have seen the instructions are given very nicely, very lucidly there. So, if the situation is you are asking to add ginger, what will be written there? Add ginger, as simple as that. So, number 8, add ginger. Full stop. Okay. Now comes exercise F. These are declarative sentences. We have to rewrite the following statements as exclamations. Okay. So, we already know that while writing exclamatory sentences, we often add what and how, and that should be followed by an exclamation mark. So, the first one is that tadpoles are teeny. How teeny the tadpoles are? Yes, we can show our expression here. It is a feeling, it is a type of amazement, how teeny they are. So, what will be the answer? How teeny the tadpoles are. And do not forget to put the exclamation mark at the end. So, what will be the answer? F1. How teeny the tadpoles are. And exclamation. Yes. Then number 2. It is very silly to paint an ice cube. So, what word will go well with this? How or what? Obviously, how. So, how silly painting an ice cube is. How silly it is, right? How silly painting an ice cube is. Number 3, the Grand Canyon in America is an amazing sight. So, it will be followed by what, right? So, what an amazing sight the Grand Canyon in America is, right? What an amazing sight the Grand Canyon in America is. And yes, don't forget to put the exclamation mark, right? Now, number 4. Let me rub. Number 4. Kuldeep Basu is a wonderful fielder. What a wonderful fielder Kuldeep Basu is. What a wonderful fielder Kuldeep Basu is. Amazement. It shows an amazement. So, yes, exclamation mark. Number 5. The socks Rohini needs are very fluffy. How much fluffy? Very fluffy, right? How fluffy the socks Rohini needs are. See, it's very simple. How fluffy the socks Rohini needs are. Right? How fluffy the socks Rohini needs are. And exclamation mark. Number 6. It is dangerous to play with firecrackers. So, how dangerous playing with firecracker is? How dangerous? Number 6. How dangerous playing with firecracker is. Number 7. The rotten meat is very smelly. How smelly the rotten meat is? Number 7. How smelly the rotten meat is. Number 8. Reena Naidu is a talented chess player. How talented chess player Reema Naidu is? How talented chess player Reema Naidu is. Okay. So, we have solved the whole exercise. Now, the same material is given there in the worksheet section. You have to download and you have to solve. Hope all your doubts will get clear. If anything still remains, please do mention in the comment section. So, this much for today's class. We'll meet in the next class with something new. Till then, just do revise all the chapters well, as we have already read out all the chapters. So now it is your turn to go for a thorough revise. Okay? Take care of yourself. Take care of everyone around you. Stay happy. Stay blessed. Have a good day ahead. Thank you for being so patient.